I'm in the chair. Look, I have pigtails. Ah,
Your attention is
I have.
wanted.
Yeah, this is meet Luca. Oh, he's just
Shrinking.
melted to the floor. Yeah, he's this massive husky she's got. So we are on the way. I've got. I don't know how many I've got. How many have we got?
What braids included?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Oh, she's on number 9.
So number 9's in the process of being installed, and I've been here about an hour and a half so far. But she's also putting in some braids as well. So what she's done is dreaded down to there, and then we're braiding the bottom of them just so I can have a few braids here and there, which is like really awesome. I haven't worn my hair like this since I was about 5. I didn't actually know it would go up into little pigtails. I can't wait to get this bit done. I can't wait to get this bit done. This bit is horrible. I hate it.
Start with it.
Yeah, no, I should probably do that last. But yeah, get a load of this. Look at this. Look. You tart. You tart. You are a big tart, aren't you? Yes, you are. He is so cute. Progress. We're doing well. We're doing well. We're doing well. Say hi.
Hey.
It's lovely. We're in this fab little shed with all these lovely drapes all over the place. Look, I want that one. Oh, I don't want it up there because that's cool. But yeah, we're underway. But I quite like this look. We're thinking we might just leave it here like this because, you know, duck face. We're almost done. Almost done. All of this has been done. I've got some braids in as well. These need to be trimmed up so that they match lengthwise. There'll be more braids as well going in. So yeah, we're almost there. My head hurts. My scalp really hurts actually now. It's like, wow. Yeah. So I will be very glad when we are finished. I expect you will as well. Go in and get some toast. Go in and have some dinner, yeah. So yeah, almost done. Really pleased with it so far. Actually, they match really well to my own hair, don't they? Really pleased with that. Yeah. But I think this is the pièce de résistance, everybody. My top knot. Final 2 to go. We're on the last 2. This is it. Hoorah. I will be so glad when it's done because my poor head really hurts. We're on the ferry. It's midnight. It's cold. I'm tired. Really tired. We will get home about 1:30. And then I'm going to go straight to bed. So you're all going to have to wait before you get to see this. But there you go. That's it. Can I have hot chocolate, please? So, yeah.
I've got money as well.
It's a bit raw and sticky outy. It'll set down in a couple of days. But yeah, here you go.